What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the 1 of 600 2022 GR Supra new A91-CF edition. Yeah, carbon fiber. Now, last year's big Supra news was heavily focused on mechanical updates. The original 335 horsepower 3-liter 6 was upgraded to 382 horsepower, previously reserved for the Supra's BMW Z4 M40i cousin, and it was joined for the first time by the 2-liter turbo 4 fitted to the lesser Z4s. This year is all about the trim, specifically carbon fiber trim on the new A91-CF edition. Exclusive to North America and limited to 600 units, the CF doesn't get any mechanical upgrades, but it might just look cool enough to make you think twice about waiting for Nissan's upcoming Z instead. Now, the highlights include a new splitter, side rocker panels, side and rear canards, and duckbill rear spoiler, all made from carbon fiber. And that's all visible carbon fiber, not any painted over. Speaking of body colors, you can also order your CF in Absolute Zero White, Nitro Yellow, or Phantom Matte Gray. But whichever finish you choose, it'll be paired with a unique set of matte black 19-inch wheels and red and black interior featuring a mix of leather and Alcantara trim. Now, the CF package isn't available with the 2-liter motor, so the mechanical hardware consists of the 382 horsepower straight 6 with a mandatory 8-speed ZF automatic transmission that will work together to hurl you from 0 to 60 or 96 kilometers in 3.9 seconds. And Toyota's adaptive variable sport AVS suspension and the active rear differential introduced on the 2021 cars are carried over along with the Brembo brake kit. But Toyota claims that the carbon fiber aero add-ons actually improve downforce. Now, you get a free driver's training package that's offered to all Supra buyers for 2022. Owners will get 1-year complimentary membership to NASA. No, not that one. It's the National Auto Sport Association, which includes a full day's instruction comprising of classroom-based and on-track tuition. Now, other Supra changes for 2022 include a red interior option for the 3-liter premium, standard heated seats for the base 3-liter car, and Apple CarPlay compatibility for models with the premium audio package. The 2022 cars, including the A91-CF edition, go on sale this fall with prices to be confirmed. But with that said, what do you guys think about this American-based carbon fiber 2022 GR Supra A91? Let me know down in the comments below. If you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can talk about the A91-CF edition for the 2022 GR Supra. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate a couple of extra dollars to me, help support the channel. I appreciate the love. You can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you guys want to get tank tops, t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, everything Ron's Rise there. You can also check me out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. It's everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you won't miss one news video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.